This video is all about interfacing liquid crystal displays with MSP430. So this is a continuation of Introduction to Embedded System Design. So liquid crystal display means LCD, which is nothing but an output device. This will be usually numeric, alphanumeric, character and graphics. Liquid crystal display technology works by manipulating the light. It uses two polarizers, horizontal and vertical, placed on top of each other with a source of light at the bottom. Liquid crystal between the two polarizers, liquid crystals, when potential is applied, have the ability to twist the light. Usually LCD may be sometimes character based or sometimes it will be number based, numeric or character LCD type will be making use of 8 cross 1 or 8 cross 2 or 12 cross 2, 16 cross 1. These are the number of bits which can be displayed in the liquid crystal display. In this video, we learn about the DIY circuits. 16 cross 2, it usually translates to a display 16 characters per line in 2 lines. In LCD displays, each character is in 5 cross 8 matrix where 5 are the numbers of columns and 8 are the number of rows. So here is a pin diagram of 16 cross 2 LCDs. We will be connecting few of the pins to the ground, few of the pins to the VCC. Read and write pin R/W is nothing but the read write pin. RS is nothing but the register select pin. E is the enable pin. So here are the pin structures and the descriptions. Ground pin is nothing but GND. The supply pin will be 4.7 volts to 5.3 volt, which is nothing but the VCC power supply. We have the read and write signals, and enable pin will be there. Negative edge triggered for write signals and positive edge triggered signals for the read signal. Low is always used to write in the register. High is always used to read from the register. An edge triggered signal is usually used to write or read the signals from the LCD. Contrast adjustments. A variable register must be preset attached to this pin, which is nothing but VO or VEE. D0 to D7 are nothing but the 8 data pins which are used to access the data bits. Registers like 16 cross 2 LCD has two registers, namely the command and the data. LCD plus is nothing but backlit supply, 5 volt of power supply, and LED negative is nothing but the backlit ground, GND. This register select RS is nothing but the register select which is used to switch from one register to another register. RS is equal to 0 for command register and RS is equal to 1 for data register. Here are few of the command codes for LCD. When the hexadecimal code is 01, it means that we have to clear the digital signal screen. When the hexadecimal code is 02, we have to return to the home. When it is 04, we decrease the cursor and shift from right to left. 06 hexa code will also increase the cursor. 05 hexa code is used to shift the display right side. 07 hexa code is used to shift the display in the left side. 08 is used to display off and cursor on. 08 hexadecimal code displays off and cursor on. 0C displays on, cursor off. 0E displays off and cursor on. 0F is nothing but the display on and cursor blinking. So these are the few command codes of LCD. When the hexadecimal code is 10, we have to shift the cursor from the right to the left. When the hexadecimal code is 14, we have to shift the cursor to the right. When it is 18, shift the entire display to the left. When it is 1C, shift the entire display to the right. 80 is used to force the cursor to the beginning. C0 force the cursor to the beginning, but it is in the second line. 80 is for the first line and C0 is for the second line. 38, 2-line and 5-cross matrix. 28, 2-line 5-cross-7 matrix in 4-bit mode. 32 hexacode is used to send the 4-bit data initiation, and 33 is used to send the 4-bit data initiation. 16 cross 2 LCD working modes will be of two types. One is a 4-bit mode and another one is a 8-bit mode. 8-bit mode will always be the default one, and 4-bit mode can be made use based on the uh, user's preference. I hope you would have learned from the video. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Radhika.